excuse my appearance because it's been a long day. Hi everyone, so welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys an unboxing video. As you can tell by the title, I'm so excited to share it with you guys. So before this intro gets any longer, let's just jump right into it. We're just gonna take this out of the box. It has a little packing slip. This bag is so cute. I can already tell you, immediate impression of this bag is that it's way bigger than I thought it would be. It's so pretty, and the material on it is so nice. I really like it. I really like it. So the material on the outside is water resistant. You have a handle here that you can grab it from. You have 2 backpack straps. You have 2 D-rings here, which is a new feature, and I love that they added that. So this is what the inside lining looks like. You do have a key leash inside the mommy pocket. The zippers are super smooth. You do have insulated bottle pockets, which is really nice. So on the back you do have this padded pocket, and you can put your laptop in here and it'll protect it with the padding. You do have a pocket down here. This pocket's a little bit hard to see, but you can definitely put things in here. You also have a pocket down here. So once you unzip this pocket, you can attach this to a suitcase and you don't have to worry about it falling off or anything, which I think is pretty awesome, especially if you're going to travel. For little feet here on the bottom to keep your bag a little bit more protected. So now for the inside of the bag. One of the newer features that they did include was it zipping a little bit more lower down, so you can really get into that bag if you need to. So on this flap here, you have 2 pockets. You have a mesh pocket right here, you have a zipper pocket right here in the back, and then you have 2 pockets here on the side, which I actually like that they added here at the top versus them being right here close to the bottle pockets, because a lot of the bags that I own, they have the pockets down here, and when you fill up the bottle pocket, it takes room from the pocket in here. So I like that they added it up here instead. So you can put this bag in the washing machine if you need to, and I just cannot wait to pack this up, especially considering the fact that I will be having 3 kids pretty soon. So that is it for this unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little overview and just the features of this bag. I will be doing a packing video, so if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, definitely do so you can be on the lookout. If you guys have any other questions, then just leave me a comment down below. Thank you again so much for watching, and I'll see you for my next video. Bye guys.